Hi, I'm Jubilee Villamor. What I'd like to do is talk a little bit about autism spectrum disorder. Now, what is a autism spectrum disorder? Autism spectrum disorder or ASD is a developmental condition that affects communication, behavior, and social interaction. Educational approaches and placement decisions aim to provide learners with the best support according to their needs. Ang Autism Spectrum Disorder or ASD is a developmental disability. Pasabot ani na siya epekto kung unsaon sa learner pag-communicate, pag-learn o pag-interact sa other people. Ang word nga spectrum means dili parehas ang tanan learners with ASD. Each learner has different abilities and challenges, no? Uban maayo mo speak o bright sa academics, while naapod uban nga lisod mo talk, mo focus or maki-socialize. That's why education should be based on individual needs, dili one size fits all. Okay? For example, ang isa ka learner na siya'y ASD or Autism Spectrum Disorder, na siya'y limited verbal communication. Mas makasabot siya kung naay pictures, gestures, or visuals rather, and easily distracted if noisy ang environment. Now, unsay teaching approach ani? Dapat ang teacher or the teacher uses visual aids or simple instructions and a quiet classroom. Nga na. Ug ang isa ka learner na atay ang isa ka learner nga with ASD, he or she can speak well and good in math, pero difficulty siya sa social interaction. Dili kabaloon sa akong pag-share or makig-group work. So, unsa naman pod ang teaching approach ani dapat? So, dapat the teacher gives small group activities and teaches social skills step by step. Ana. In a simple terms, ASD means different way of learning and interacting. So teachers need to adjust their teaching strategies based on the learner's strengths and needs para makalearn gid ang bata. Okay? Next slide, let's proceed to the educational approaches for learners with ASD. First, behavior management. It focuses on improving social and learning behavior through observation and reinforcement. So, it focuses on improving social and learning behavior. Pinaagi sa observation and reinforcement. Pasabot, gina-observe sa teacher ang behavior sa learner. Unya, i-correct or i-improve gamit ang positive reinforcement like praise or rewards. Example, kung ang bata mo lingkod og tarong during class, i-praise siya. Like, good job for sitting quietly. Nga na. And then, ikaduha, positive behavioral interventions and supports or PBIS. It encourages positive behavior using rewards and clear expectations. So, it encourages positive behavior using clear expectations and rewards. Pasabot, klaro ang role sa classroom o gina-reward ang maayong buhat imbes silutan dayon ang sayo. Nga na. Example, kung sundon sa learner ang classroom rules for the whole day, makadawat siya og sticker or star. Nga na. And then, ikatulo ang Applied Behavior Analysis or ABA. It uses reinforcement to teach desired skills and reduce unwanted behaviors. So, it uses reinforcement to teach desired skills and reduce unwanted behaviors. Pasabot, gitudluan ang bata step by step. Unya, tagaan og reward kada sakto nga buhat. Example, kung gitudluan ang bata mo eye contact, kada successful niya nga attempt, hatagan siya og praise or small reward. Nga na. And then, Functional Communication Training or FCT. It teaches students to express their needs using words, gestures, or pictures. Pasabot, imbis magtantrums ang bata, tudluan siya unsaon pagsulti sa iyang gusto. Example, kung gusto siya og tubig, Tudluan siya mo point sa picture sa tubig or mo say water, nga na. Next, structured stitching or TACCH stage. It provides visual schedules, organized spaces, and routines to help learners feel secure. It provides visual schedules, no? Organized spaces and routines. Pasabot gina structure ang classroom para makabalo ang learner unsay buhaton ug kanus-a para ma-feel niya nga safe o comfortable. Example, naay visual schedule sa wall. Arrival, lesson, snack, play, to home. Ingana. So, these strategies help learners, especially with ASD or autism spectrum disorder, behave better, learn effectively, and feel secure pinagi sa clear structure, positive reinforcement, and communication support. Next, let's proceed to placement options for learners with ASD. First, regular classroom or inclusion. Students with ASD learn alongside peers in general education. So, students with ASD learn together with regular peers in a general education classroom. Pasabot ang learner na naay ASD kauban na sa normal nga klase, pero naay support like teacher guidance or aid. Example, na siya sa grade 3 class, kauban sa iyang classmates, pero gahatag ang teacher og visual aids or extra time para niya. Nga na. Okay? Sunod, resource room. Learners receive specialized instruction for part of the day. So, learners receive specialized instruction for part of the day. Pasabot, part-time ra siya sa regular class. Unya, moadto siya sa resource room para sa special help. Example, sa math, na siya sa regular class, pero sa reading, moadto siya sa resource room para ma-tutor o tarong. Nga na. Next, special class. Small group sitting with individualized instruction. So, small group sitting siya with individualized instruction. Pasabot, gamayng klase ra para mas tutok ang teachers sa needs sa learner. Example, 5 to 8 ka learners ra sa class. Unya, lain-lain ang activity depende sa ilang abilidad. Yan na. Sunod, special school. So, it provides intensive support for students with severe needs. Pasabot, special nga eskwelahan para sa learners nga mas dako og needs o kinahanglan og therapy o special teachers, no? Ingana. Example, ang bata nga dili pagyud kaayo mo communicate o kinahanglan og daily therapy adlaw-adlaw. Gi-enroll sa special sa school, ingana. And then home-based or hospital instruction. So, for learners unable to attend regular school due to medical or behavioral concerns, pasabot, kung dili gid siya makasulod sa school, sa balay or hospital siya tudluan. Example, kung ang learner na ay medical condition or severe behavior issues, ang teacher mo visit sa balay para magtudlo. Nga na. Different educational placements exist para ma-match ang needs sa learner with ASD. Ang goal gyud is mahatagan sila og best learning environment. Yan na. Next, teachers' role in supporting learners with ASD. Create a structure and predictable classroom environment. Make routines organized and predictable daw. Pasapot, kinahanglan klaro ang schedule of roles para dili malibog ang learner. Example na ay daily routine sa board. Kanang arrival, lesson, activity, snack, and then dismissal. Nga na. Sunod, use visual aids and assistive technology. Use pictures, charts, videos, or devices to help learning. Pasabot masayon makasabot ang learner kung makita niya ang lesson. Example, gamit ang flashcards, picture, schedule, tablet, or audio tools. Nga na. Next, collaborate with parents, therapists, and special educators. So, work together with family, no, and professionals. Pasabot, importante ang teamwork para consistent ang pagtudlo sa school o sa balay. Example, ang teacher mo coordinate sa parents o therapist about progress o behavior sa bata. Nga na. Sunod, encourage social interaction and peer support. So, help learners interact with classmates. Pasabot tudluan ang learner unsaon pakpakig friends. Example, peer activities or buddy system para na ay classmate nga mutabang. Nga ana. Next, adapt teaching strategies to match individual needs. Adjust teaching methods based on the learner. Pasabot dili parehas ang tanan learners, mao nga iangay ang teaching style. Example, kung dali siya ma-distract, short instructions o breaks ang gamiton. Ana. Okay? These strategies help create a supportive and inclusive classroom where learners with ASD can learn comfortably and successfully. Next, summary. Educational approaches and placement options for learners with ASD focus on individualized instruction, supportive environments, and collaboration among educators and families. Proper understanding and application ensure meaningful learning experiences and inclusion. In simple words, kung masabtan o ma-apply tarong ang pagtudlo o placement, mas makakaton ang learner with ASD o mas maka-appeal siya sa klase o sa society. Sabta na? Okay, that's all and thank you for listening.